Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rashad Jones from Big Lee's Serious About Barbecue. I'm gonna start with the Big Lee's Tea cocktail. The second recipe that I have for you guys, Big Lee's candied sweet heat bacon, some brown sugar that we're gonna coat it in as well. We're gonna get it nice and caramelized on a brisket burger. No competition on that one right there, baby. I'm gonna start with the Big Lee's Tea cocktail. So what I've got for you guys is some 1/4-inch slices of navel oranges, some lemons, and some green limes. 1/4-inch slice on the limes as well. Cranked it up to 500 degrees. And I'm just gonna lay these slices, these beautiful slices of orange, right back here. And what you wanna hear is that sizzle. All right. So while those are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our candied sweet heat bacon. So I've got a pack of bacon here. We're gonna get our brown sugar. I'm gonna just pour enough brown sugar in here just to coat my bacon. Go ahead and get a slice out of here. And what I'm gonna do is just set it off to the side here and season it up. And then we're gonna take this guy into our brown sugar. Just kind of toss your brown sugar on top of your bacon. Just kind of push it on there. Let's check our citrus slices. Those orange slices, lemon slices, and lime slices are looking great. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this bacon so I can get it on the cooker because I am you pretty hungry, buddy? I am starving. It's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and lay these here. So that's our last piece. Looking really, really good. All right, so I'm gonna let you load this into the smoker. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I'll slide these burgers over. Hold it on the front side. Hold it on the front side with both hands. Just load it in there. There you go. All right, now it's time to get started on this cocktail. All right, so now that our fruit's rested, we're gonna go ahead and break these oranges, lemons, and limes down a little bit so we can fit them in our cocktail shaker. We're gonna add some ice, we're gonna add some vodka, we're gonna add some Big Lee's tea. Stick this all in here. All right, looks good to me. And I like to add my vodka first. Alcohol, it's acidic, so it's gonna start to lift the flavors. All right, so that's looking great. So then we're gonna go in with our Big Lee's tea. You always make sure to leave room for your ice when you're using one of these cocktail shakers. About 10 ice cubes or so in here. Our burgers look perfect, our bacon's looking perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the temp all the way down. Go ahead and get my cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and top these burgers. So let's go ahead and seal our cocktail shaker up really tight. Shake away. So now it's time for the pour. That looks glorious. That looks absolutely glorious. We're gonna go ahead and smear a little bit of our secret sauce on our buns. We call this serious sauce at Big Lee's. We're gonna go ahead and take these, do a few pickles. So now it's time to pull our burger patties. Cheese is nice and melty, nice and ooey and gooey. So we're gonna go ahead and plate that up right there. Bam, look at that. So we've got our bacon all lined up. I'm just gonna go right down the center. All right. Gonna go ahead, go right across the top. All right, so our burgers are all done. Our candied sweet heat bacon is finished. We've got our Big Lee's tea cocktail, 100% finished. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to try it out, see how it tastes. Hey Jordan, you ready, buddy? That is absolutely delicious. So let's try it. That is good eating and good drinking right there.